So welcome to Movement Deep Dive number 20. Can't believe this is the 20th week doing this. And it continues to be really fun for me to explore my own body and learn things at the same time as I hope that you are discovering new things about your body every week. Okay, so our theme for today is let your heel bone slide. We're going to be exploring calcaneal movement. So what are our intentions for today? First, to understand what is the calcaneus, it's your heel bone. How does it move? There are some triplanar movement capabilities. Wow, that was hard to say. Capabilities that your heel bone has. And we want to explore today, what are those? Can we name them to get you more familiar with them? And then can we explore them in your body to see if you can currently do them? And also, as these things usually go, we want to explore connections between how movement at the heel could be impacting and influencing movement above. And there's a really cool movement relationship that I'd like to share with you between the calcaneus, the pelvis, and the skull that I think is fascinating. So let's get into it.